packaging. It comes in a lovely little box. Let's get rid of the big box now. Cable ties. Instructions, we won't be needing those. Battery charger, spare battery. If I can open the bag. And the all-important unit itself. Feels meaty, it feels heavier than my snap-on gun. Quality wise, yeah, you can feel the difference compared to a snap-on, but it's supposed to be a lot more powerful. So let's take it to a car and try and get some wheel nuts off with it. This is with the battery straight out of the box, so I'm going to charge this other one up now and then try it afterwards. Now, this is my old snap-on gun. It's been my old faithful gun for several years now. It just seems to be lacking a little bit in power on doing a few bolts now. Not by much, but I am noticing I'm having to get the breaker bar out a little bit more. So I've been advised to get the Dewalt DCF899. I've been told it will undo the most difficult of bolts. The main reason I've bought it is because the crank bolts on the V6 Buzo engines can be a proper pig to undo. So that is going to be the main test. I have got a car in the unit at the minute which this will not undo, and it's also bent a breaker bar of mine, so I'm going to see if this one can succeed with doing that. But how does it feel compared to the snap-on? You can feel the battery wobbling about on its mount. The quality doesn't feel as good, but it's half the price of a snap-on gun and this is more powerful, so we'll see how good it does. It's the 18 volt brushless motor one, so it should do a good job. So let's go over to this car over here and see if it'll undo these wheel nuts. So let's start with the old snap-on gun, seeing if it will undo these bolts, and they've got covers on them annoyingly. Typically we undo them all now, aren't we? So they've come undone okay. Let's try another wheel. There we go, it can't undo that one. It's done that one. Did that one with a little bit of a struggle. So now let's try it with the Dewalt. It did it. So it's gone to prove it does the job a little bit better. So far the Dewalt is going to be winning. It's undone one bolt that the snap-on couldn't do, and the snap-on struggled with two of those bolts as well. So it's looking like it could be the winner at the minute. So I'm just going to finish off doing some work on this. Join me in the next shot now, while I should hopefully have a V6 on the ramp where I can see if it'll undo the crank pulley bolt. Right, I have now moved over to a fully charged battery. So let's see if this one will now come off. Hey! So yes, I am impressed with that for the money. That is really good. That's got me out of a proper hole. I mean, I was trying the other day for several hours trying to get it off with my other gun, 2 fresh batteries, trying different methods of getting it off, and it still didn't want to know. I even bent my decent breaker bar. So yeah, if you are after a decent quality gun, which will pretty much undo anything. I mean, that I would probably say is the tightest bolt I've ever had to undo. Yeah, really impressed with that. So thanks for watching. I'm going to carry on doing this V6 cam belt now. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like button, and I shall see you in the next video.